Good morning from Grand Family Farm. The sun has popped out. Things are starting to dry out a little bit. Leaves are falling from the trees. It's kind of depressing. Can't wait for spring. Today we'll be taking 3 piglets to the vet to have them castrated. I don't castrate, don't like doing it. I've been around it, I've helped. It's not my thing. And the guy that's supposed to castrate them apparently has too much other stuff to do, so he did not come out. So we're getting, I think they'll be 4 weeks on Sunday, so we got to get this done. Speaking of piglets, oh, wrong one. Move, Sally. Piglet, let's go back home. Say, help me, Mama. Scary guy, turn the light on. Well, 3 of the 5 piglets are male. And they have to be fixed today. Penelope, you want your grain, don't you? Well, hang on. Keep your head up, you'll be baking. And the chickens want their scratch. Okay, everybody's happy. And my eggs, I'm happy. I'll probably be a few more this afternoon, since the chickens don't lay them all together. Oh, Mama just stepped on the baby. Well, I'm not looking forward to the castration part of these. The piglets aren't going to be that jobby. Then we'll get them fixed, put them back in there with Mama. She'll take care of them. So, that's the plan. There's a little cage. We'll try to throw the 3 in. I think they'll be fine in there. Going down.
Boy or girl? Girl.
So it's the other 2 black ones. Yes, oh my God, you're so cute. Shelby, move. You're in the way.
You were going to get mixed up with the other white one.
Black one.
Yeah, another black one.
Make sure that boy. He's a loud one.
Yeah, he's good.
Alright.
That's for you boys, right?
Yes.
You better be sure. Oh, the 3 little pigs. They're not happy.
What the hell?
Alright. Off to the vet. Uh-oh, Mama's not happy.
What are you doing? We're gonna bring them back.
Sister, I'm not going to come home.
And Mama will forget it as soon as I get them grain. Alright, little guys are getting ready to take a ride in the Yukon.
It's not a snack.
Finger
Alright,
food.
just put them through that crack right there.
They're a little bit sleepy right now because of the Banamine.
That crack. Right next to all those running, you said dropping them. Sally, Shelby, come here. Come here. Sally.
So little pig's been fixed. And they're not happy.
I think they're too big, Oda.
They do.
They're getting, yeah, too fat to fit.
See, they're not gonna be able to do that much.
Sally. Oh.
There you go, Mama. Get out your baby's back.
Okay. Hope everything goes right. And then we'll be able to raise some to butcher and some to sell. Okay, life is back to normal for them. You want in see your chickens? Sally. Yeah, pig don't want to talk to you. Quick update. We did get Harold back. He's here under my desk, beside my desk, with this puppy. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening.